Hi, it's Graham Bibby here. It's the 9th of September 2020 and I just wanted to do a quick video to accompany a massive amount of sell signals you've got. Just explain to you why we held on for an extra day before we sold. So if I could just get into this Nasdaq first, I want to show you that this is Friday and this is Thursday. This was Wednesday's action. So Wednesday's action, every day the market was ending near the high, and when it ends near the high, that indicates no one wants to sell and we're moving higher. However, on Thursday, boom, that sell-off came and there was a mild buy-in which indicated maybe the worst was over, and then on Friday was a big drop and then lots of buyers come in. So normally that would signal we're at or around the bottom of the market, but last night we had another sell-off and now we're in confirmed downtrend. So just quickly, this is going to take you through a few stocks. So the airlines, which we'd had orientated into, which are way down, are still in an uptrend. I don't really want to give new buy signals right now because I don't want to sell these because they are in uptrends. However, we have to see if the weight of the sell-off increases, and which it might pull these down as well. Save, that's been holding up, that's not down. You can see the extent of the upside from where they are now. And again, if I put this in here, you see this stock is up over the last few days. Snap, some people have got, that's held up well. It's had buyers coming in each time. Ended up last night in a very severe down market. Norwegian cruises, again, that looks like it's in an uptrend and it's risen in the last few days. A Datadog, again, it dropped, but it's had buyers coming in every time, so that's not on the sell list. Nike, again, buyers coming in, it's held up really well, so that's not on the sell list. American Airlines is held up. Michael Kors I've been watching for some time, but we haven't had any cash to buy it, and that had a really severe sell-off on Thursday. Buyers came in and then it was actually up on Friday and it was marginally down yesterday, but no buy signal, and I'm pretty reluctant to buy anything right now until we see the market stabilize. Marriott Hotels, that's held up well, so that's another one. Now over on the transport index, again, it's been selling off, but it's held up reasonably well, and it's straddling this support level. So those airlines, as you can imagine, the cruise ships are in this index, so that's kind of okay. This is the extent of what's been going on. Just so you know why I didn't give a sell signal earlier, because on Thursday, that's when the carnage happened. After this is Qualys, for example, and these companies are doing really well. The profits are good as they won't be in our list, but that doesn't matter, because if the weight of selling comes in, people seem to sell everything. And in fact, they sell their winners faster than they sell their losers, because they figure they want to tie in the profits and they don't want to crystallize losses. So here we are, we broke above these tops. It's looking really, really positive, and that's the big down day that we had. And then Friday it went down all the way down here, and all the buyers came in, and it almost was at the low of that day, which is normally a good sign, but we've dropped last night, so hey presto, we got to exit. Things like Pan American Silver, that's held up reasonably well. It's above the support level, so it's not in a sell signal yet. eBay, on the other hand, see, this is the Thursday sell-off, just marginally below the support level here, and then the bigger sell-off here, but almost at the bottom there. So that looked like it is quite positive because the buyers came in, but last night no such luck. Dow Jones Industrial, well, it's done that, and it's below support level, so that's not a good sign. Great companies like Horizon Therapeutics, again, that's the down day. Thursday, Friday, boom, and all the buyers came in, getting us back above support levels, but last night we broke below that. So that's why I'm saying we're in the first confirmed downtrend since March of this year, and that's when the big slide came, March to April, when the market went down 45%. This is the S&P. Again, you can see the big sell-off on the Thursday, big sell-off Friday, but all the buyers came in and we ended, just to recap, that line on the right is where the market ended. So that's the spread of the day, that's where it ended. But last night we've ended on the low. That is not good. Baidu is holding up reasonably well because it's kind of near the bottom of that one, so it's not in the mix at the moment. Vertex Pharmaceutical Company doing great, but we've just gone below support level and ended at the low of the day, so that's in a sell. And this is the Nasdaq, which is plunged like that. This could be support, but we've ended at the bottom of the spread, because what happened last night, and if you try to sell last night, the market makers marked the stocks down. So anything that was 100, when the market opened, it was 95. So you would have crystallized the loss no matter what. Anyway, then after 95, it bottomed a bit and then it went back up. This is an example, and I think at some stage it was probably about 98, and it looked to me like, okay, yeah, that was a bottom on Friday, but towards the end of the day another wave of sellers came in, which is why it's taken us down to those lows. So it's a bibster here saying, I'm pissed because I worked so hard to get the gains that I got for people. We had a magnificent first quarter, and the second quarter was looking even better. In hindsight, Jesus, I just went boom, let's take it, let's lock it in. But, and I don't know if this was manipulation, all those stocks across the broad range broke to the upside like this one, like the index here. That's giving no indication, no wobbles in the market. So right now we're out of it. Those stocks that we come out of, they're all great, and at some stage we'll have an opportunity to buy them, and then they will regain those losses, and then maybe even new sectors if we see rotation. So please action all those sell signals. I'm just a headache even writing them all down. There's a few not in there. They may come on board if there's further pressure. I have a list of stocks that are holding up or even in slight uptrends, but if you've got the overall market going down, then you're swimming against the tide. It's the bibster. I feel for you because I feel for me. I sleepless night last night watching the markets because I care about you and I care about what we're doing. But I know that we will get another quarter in where we get those gains back. We just need to be patient. Okay, bibster saying keep safe. Bye bye.